Some real CSS properties genuinely inherit from parent to child automatically, others genuinely don't. In this video you'll see real inheritance in action. Color genuinely is an inherited property. The real child p tag automatically actually receives this same blue color. Border genuinely is not inherited. The real child p tag genuinely does not get a border, only dot box itself does. The real inherit keyword genuinely explicitly forces inheritance even for a property that wouldn't normally do it automatically. Text properties like color font genuinely inherit by default. Box model properties like border padding genuinely do not inherit. The inherit keyword genuinely forces inheritance explicitly. Test which of 5 real properties inherit and which don't. Ready to understand which real CSS rule wins with specificity?